let's see how can you create like this type of Instagram ratio size in your video format in very easy and simple steps. Let's see. Open any thumbnail maker app. I have using Pixel Lab, so just open Pixel Lab, click on the image size on the click. After clicking the three dot, click on image size, then custom, and enter the video format size which I have given to you, 5180, and then 1080. Okay, this is the video format size which we have been using for this format size. Click on OK. Then you have this format. Click on delete text and click on save and click save an image. Then click on save to gallery. Go to any video editor that you use. Don't use insert. Instead of use VN editor, just open it and create plus icon to create new project, and click on new project. Then click on video waste and save. Okay, then you have to import this project which I have created before. So select this and select another video clip that you want to import in your video format. Okay, then click on next. Okay, after clicking on next, then you can see this format which we have previously created. Okay, uh, then you can adjust the video crop. Okay, then you can adjust its size or you can crop it like this. Okay, you can keep it as original or you can choose which part of the video you have to show. So you have to click on correct, then you have this option in your video format size. Okay, and all the things happen. You have to click on export and you have to click on 1080p and 30 fps and average bitrate, let's suppose 20, and you have to click on export, and the video is now ready to publish in your Instagram account. But one more thing is left to do before publishing in the Instagram account. Let's see. Click on Instagram, then click on plus icon, then in the reel section select the video which we have imported the video recently. Then the video is now imported to Instagram. Just click on the this symbol. Okay, click on done. Then you have to adjust the video length, which okay, actually this part you have to click on split. Okay, you have to click on split, then delete the first part. Okay, now this part is saved as your video format. Then click on next and you have to upload the video. Now you can see the video is now published.